in each door. Fields and flowers called her name. Every adventure felt like a game. One bright day she saw a stream. Its sparkling water looked like a dream. Can I cross? She asked aloud. Her tail wagged high, feeling so proud. Curious minds will always find paths unknown, treasures left behind. Step by step we learn and grow. Adventure waits wherever we go. Coco tiptoed on stones so round. She wobbled, slipped, and hit the ground. But with a shake, she tried again. Her courage stronger than her pain. Across the stream, she found new friends. Birds and frogs where the water bends. They sang together a cheerful tune, dancing and playing till the moon. Coco returned with tales to share, her heart so full of love and care. Every journey teaches something new. Curiosity brings the world to you.